Hello and welcome to this course in which you are going to be learning about Python programming from very basics to an intermediate level. My name is Arbaz Khan and I will be your instructor throughout this course. This course contains more than 20 plus real world projects that we are going to be creating using Python programming. This course is focused on practical based learning and creating projects using Python. Anyone who is interested in learning Python and he is a beginner in Python programming or have a intermediate level skills of Python programming, they can enroll in this course. And anyone who is interested in learning Python programming from very basics to an intermediate level, as well as want to learn how to create Python projects using Python programming and want to develop their skills in Python and become a Python developer, so they can enroll in this course and start learning about Python programming with 20 plus real world projects that have real world application as well. So if you are interested in Python programming, so what are you waiting for? Enroll in this course and I will see you in the course.